Welcome to Indira's World. This is not Groundhog Day. This is just me all over again with another healthy recipe for you. Samosa, the healthy samosa, big meal. Without further ado, I think we should go straight into it. For all those who are new, you're in for a treat, I hope. Okay, here we have it. I have 400 grams of minced beef, lamb, chicken, plant-based, whatever you want. Again, this is up to you. I tend to go under 10% in terms of fat content. I do not like to go over that. As I said, it's a healthy option. And I have 4 to 5 chopped tomatoes. I might have more here, I may not use it all. 1 chopped onion, about 1.5 inches of ginger, chopped finely. Garlic comes to about 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic. I have 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, cumin powder, 1.5 teaspoons of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, and a little pepper and salt to taste. I also have a cup of green peas. Now I've used frozen peas, but I mean that's up to you. A bunch of coriander, finely chopped. Well, I think it's fine, but there you go. My friend did it and she's not very good at chopping. And 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And then I have used for the coating a rather big, high in protein, low in fat Turkish bread. And that's it, let's do it. Okay, we're going to start now. I've heated my pan really hot. Now I drink a sip of my masala chai, which is very nice, flavored Indian tea. And I'm ready. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I don't tend to go over 2 tablespoons, as most of you who've been on this show know. And olive oil being my favorite. Now, there's my chopped onion going in, my chopped ginger, my finely chopped garlic. As I told you, my friend helped me and she's not very good at chopping. She's supposed to, oh, she's waving away. I'm just ignoring her. So, now, I'm going to let that saute till the onions go transparent and my cooker stops exploding at me. It should be in about 5 seconds. To this, I'm going to add 4 to 5 chopped tomatoes. Actually, she has chopped these particularly nicely. I'll probably need vernier calipers or micrometer screw gauge to measure how accurate this is. Amazing. Now to this, I'm going to add all my spices. As I told you, there's coriander, cumin, turmeric, garam masala, salt, and pepper. Right, now to this I'm going to add my green peas, which is, I've used a huge brimmed cupful because I do like mince and green peas together. I can't go wrong with that sort of stuff. And while that's going in, I add in my 400 grams of minced meat. This is basically the filling that I will be using. So I'm going to cook that through and leave it. That's dried up nicely. Now for those who are slightly like me, who like a little bite in their food, I am adding in a green chili, cut with a pair of scissors. For some inexplicable reason, because it was there. Seeing as I'm trying something new today with a pair of scissors, so be it. There you go. And that is my chili. Now to this I'm adding my chopped coriander. I like to add herbs at the end so they actually keep their herby thing. Very technical term. You see, I use very technical terms. Now, herby thing done, and the mince is nice and dry. And now we're going to go on to part 3, which is filling up our jumbo mosa. Okay, now I've taken a large frying pan and brushed that with oil. As I said, we're not deep frying here. And in it I'm putting this very large Iranian bread. Now, you can use a rumali roti in India, which is a handkerchief roti or bread, or you could use a ginormous tortilla. You can use what you want. It is really to make a big, massive, unfried samosa. As I said, we don't fry, we just fold in, and there you have your ginormous samosa. Now I'm just holding this together with a skewer and leave that to brown. Give that a few minutes and flip it over. And now that's basically what it looks like. It is a massive meal for 1, 2, 3, or 4. Up to you. Now I've got a bit of tamarind and coriander chutney to go with that. Don't forget, if you haven't subscribed yet to Indiraa, please do. It's IndiraasWorld. Don't forget to subscribe and, of course, give a thumbs up. And I will see you next week with hopefully another low-fat recipe. Remember, you don't have to fry a samosa.